everyone! Today, we will learn how to draw a cute sheep and her baby step by step. So let's get started. Start by drawing a smaller oval on top of the large oval for the sheep's head. Position it slightly to the left side of the body. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes on the head oval. Draw 2 small, curved lines on each side of the head for the ears. Add a small oval for the nose and a curved line for the mouth below the eyes. Add a large oval shape for the sheep's body. Make it a bit wider at the bottom. For the legs, draw 4 small rectangles at the bottom of the body oval. Make sure they are evenly spaced. Repeat the same steps to draw a smaller version of the sheep next to the mother sheep. Start with a small oval for the body and a smaller oval for the head. Add the eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and legs just like you did for the mother sheep. Draw the fluffy wool around the body and head. Blue color. Light green color. Orange color. Yellow color. Red color. Brown color. Great job! You've just drawn a cute sheep and her baby. Don't forget to show off your artwork to your friends and family. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.